All are welcome to my channel. Today's topic Manibandha Naman, wrist bending.
Ever pondered over the benefits of wrist bending exercises or why yoga enthusiasts are so keen on them? Well, the answer lies in the ancient practice of Manibandha Naman, a type of wrist bending exercise rooted in yoga. This exercise is a godsend for those who spend a lot of time typing or doing any work that strains the wrists and hands. Manibandha Naman is a humble yet potent exercise that can be performed anytime, anywhere. It doesn't require any fancy equipment or a dedicated space. All you need is a pair of willing hands and a few minutes of your day. The simplicity of this exercise belies the multitude of benefits it offers. It enhances wrist flexibility, boosts blood circulation, and can even alleviate carpal tunnel syndrome. It's a testament to the wisdom of yoga, where even the simplest movements can have profound effects on our health and well-being. So, are you ready to learn how to do Manibandha Naman and explore its many advantages? Before we dive in, ensure you are in a comfortable position, either in the base position or a cross-legged pose. Now, stretch your arms in front of your body at shoulder level. Let's begin. Visualize your palms pressing against an invisible wall. With your fingers pointing skyward, bend your hands backward from the wrists. Feel the stretch. That's it. Now, let's reverse the movement. Bend your hands forward from the wrists, fingers pointing earthward. It's like you're reaching out to touch the ground, but without moving your arms. Remember, your elbows remain straight throughout this practice. That's right, straight as an arrow. And let's not forget about the fingers. They stay straight too, no bending at the knuckle joints. Now let's repeat. Bend the hands up again for the next round. We're aiming for a total of 10 repetitions. Breathing is an integral part of this exercise. It's simple. Inhale with the backward movement and exhale with the forward movement. Feel your breath sync with the rhythm of your movements. And where should your awareness be? On the movement in the wrist joint and the stretching of the forearm muscles. It's like a dance between your breath, your wrists, and your forearms. Remember, the focus is on the movement in the wrist joint and the stretching of the forearm muscles, and of course, your breath. This is Manibandha Naman, yoga for your hands and wrists. Practice regularly, and you'll be amazed at the strength and flexibility you'll develop. Having mastered the steps, you may ask, why practice Manibandha Naman regularly? Well, this simple yoga exercise comes packed with benefits. It strengthens your wrist joints, enhances flexibility, and helps prevent conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome.